It's called Just a Mom Podcast, and it's exactly what you would expect. Just a mom meeting parents, her peers, where they're at or where their families could be, talking about mental health, getting questions answered.
Maybe a few questions that I have that other parents have expressed to me.
Open conversation on the mic, Susie Gurley talking all things mental health.
I'm not a doctor or a therapist, I'm just a mom.
Gurley was inspired to help others through her son's own story. At 14, he started struggling with depression, anxiety, and suicidal thoughts. Gurley didn't know where to turn. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services says nearly 50% of teens have struggled with mental health issues in their lives.
So that means they all have a parent or two trying to probably help them, and who's helping the parents.
She hopes this podcast can be one of those resources for families.
I thought, what a blessing for families, and too bad I didn't know about it sooner.
Stacey Mayer was a guest on the show and is an avid listener. Her daughter struggles with anxiety and anorexia. Although everyone is different, Mayer says there are a lot of common themes, and there's a comfort in knowing you're not alone.
You need to be able to share with others because it's so alienating. And what her podcast is doing is providing a lifeline for families who are really suffocating and drowning in the quagmire of trying to find a path.
Gurley found that a lot of these parents didn't know who to call when their children came to them with mental health issues.
Because of that, I've been incorporating more interviews with mental health professionals, organizations, that type of thing, to be resources for parents.
This is the Dean of Student Life at Rockhurst University.
Everything has changed.
The second season of the podcast is set to come out in January. Reagan Porter, Fox 4, working for you.